Hey guys, are you want to buy best power cords for desktop PCs? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best power cords for desktop PCs that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now, let's get started. Starting at Maximm. Power cords. This universal power cord is a versatile and reliable solution for powering computers, monitors, printers, TVs, and more devices with a 3-pin connection. It features a unique 360 rotating flat plug, making it easy to maneuver and fit in tight spaces around your desk or entertainment area. The cord has a sturdy, fully molded design for durability and long life, ensuring consistent performance. With a OL-certified NEMA 5-15P grounded plug on one end and a 3-conductor IEC320C13 female connector on the other. It meets safety standards and supports up to 10A300V, ideal for extending or replacing your existing power cords. This cable is perfect for most electronics, but be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. A practical, flexible, and safe power solution for your devices. Now our second product is PWR Plus power cords. This high-quality 6-foot 2-prong AC power cord features IEC 60320C7 figure 82 NEMA 1215P connectors and is UL Rose certified for safety and durability. It's compatible with a wide range of devices including LED LCD smart TVs, monitors, printers, scanners, gaming consoles, PS2, PS3 Slim, PS4, laptops, Dell, Sony, Asus, Toshiba, audio systems, soundbars, digital pianos, and more. Designed to deliver reliable power with 1/8 AWG wiring rated 490 degrees Celsius and 300 volts. It ensures stable performance across various electronics. The cord supports popular brands like Samsung, LG, Canon, HP, Brother, Epson, JBL, Yamaha, and VOX, backed by a 30-day refund and 12-month exchange warranty from PWR Plus, a USA-based company. It also comes with friendly customer support. UL listed and tested for safety. It's a trustworthy replacement or upgrade for your power needs. Our third product is Seeklyze power cords. This 6-foot black extension cord offers powerful and stable power delivery with its 16-gauge pure copper conductor supporting 13A125V and up to 1625 WETL listed for safety. It's perfect for indoor use with various household and office appliances like coffee makers, fans, laptops, and TVs. The cord features a strain relief design tested for over 2,000 bends to ensure durability and prevent leakage. Its plug has rounded corners to absorb impact, making it drop and wear resistant, ideal for mobile offices. The flexible yet durable cord adapts well to different environments, while the non-slip design on both plug sides ensures easy plugging and unplugging. At 6 feet, it offers just the right length to extend reach in indoor spaces, combining convenience with reliable performance for daily power needs. Now number 4. StarTech power cords. This 6 feet 1.8 meters AC power cord features an 1/8 AWG flexible design with NEMA 5-15P and IEC 60320 C5 connectors. Perfect for workstation and home office use. Rated for 125 volts and 10A. It ensures reliable power delivery for laptops, monitors, scanners, printers, and more. UL listed with fire rating VW21. The fully molded strain relief and 100% copper wire construction guarantee durability and safety. The black PVC jacket offers flexibility and withstands temperatures from 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 2 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Compatible with North American outlets, this cable is an ideal replacement for power bricks. Designed for IT professionals, it comes with a lifetime warranty, and 24/5 multilingual technical support, making it a dependable choice for any setup needing a sturdy, long-lasting laptop power cable. And our last choice is Chanzon power cords. This 10 feet DO-shaped plug power cord is UAO listed and certified by OSHA, ensuring safety and reliability with a unique UL number verifiable online. Designed for two-prong electronic devices, it supports 7A at 125 volts with high-quality NIS PT218 AWG copper wire and double PVC jacket for excellent insulation and durability. The polarized IEC320C7 to NEMO 1215P connector is ideal for many devices, including various Vizio TV models, E-Series, M-Series, Vizio soundbars, Pioneer stereo receivers VSX453, VSX452, VSX403, Aris routers, Sharp TVs, Sony PlayStations, Bose speakers, and more. It's a reliable replacement cable compatible with numerous home entertainment and electronic products, offering stable power delivery and long-lasting performance. Perfect for anyone needing a durable, high-quality replacement power cord for their devices. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.